How to recover deleted WhatsApp photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you are in the app, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Settings tab located at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account, privacy, and app preferences. Inside the settings menu, locate and tap on the Chats option. Now, go ahead and tap on Chat Backup. You can back up your chats and media to iCloud from this page. You can then restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. You can check your last backup information, including the date and total size, and manage auto backup settings and manually initiate a new one by tapping Backup Now. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted WhatsApp photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.